Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to use Fix-A-Flat to fix a flat tire. That is a flat tire. Yeah, it sat for a month. Got to pump her up. Next step, get your air compressor. Pump the tire up. This one's supposed to be at 35 psi. It's currently at 9. Okay, got that done. 39 psi. Next step, put your valve stem cap back on. Nice. Okay, the next step after we've done all that is to go for a nice, slow, short drive. Go slow so that it gets all throughout the whole tire and plugs up any tiny little leaks that you might have. And we're off. Don't mind the windshield. I know it is destroyed. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Also don't mind the mirror, it's also destroyed. And there's mud inside. And there's a deer. Okay, so now that we're done that slow drive around the block, it should be good. And I've had really good luck with this Fix-A-Flat stuff, so I have complete confidence that that will be good when I wake up tomorrow to go take this for a drive. Also, I left my hood open when I went around the block, but I was going real slow. So that's always real nice right there. Anyway, have a good one.